Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily delete a YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive updates on everything new. First, open the Chrome application. Then type YouTube Studio in the search bar. Click on Go or Search. Click on Connections. If it doesn't appear this way, it will appear like this. Don't worry, you just need to zoom down to the left where you will find the gear icon for settings. Click on it, and you will see the interface we need. Now click on Channel Settings. Then Advanced Settings. Scroll down a bit. Click on Delete YouTube Content. Here, it will ask you to confirm your account, and I will confirm it through fingerprint. After entering your password, you will see this page with two options. We will choose the second option. Then select these two options and click on Delete My Content. Your videos, playlists, associated channels, and all that data will be deleted. Finally, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe now and activate the notification bell to receive updates on everything new. See you in another video.